Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make butter chicken. Let's get cooking. Here's the chicken and 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Here's the cumin, and here's a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, 2 spoons of yogurt. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it up. I'm also going to add some turmeric in here, and I'm going to mix it up. So now I'm going to put my plastic wrap and cover it, put in the fridge for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to add some olive oil in the pan, a little bit. So now I'm going to put it in the pan. So it's going to fry up a little bit, and then I'm going to take it out. So it's going to start frying. Okay, so my chicken takes 5 minutes, and this is how it should be. It has to fry all the way down, get rid of the water, and I'm going to take this out, and then I'm going to fry the onion up. Okay, so 2 sticks of butter. Melted the butter. I use the same pan. Just 1 teaspoon of ginger. Okay, some onion. 1 onion. Also 2 tomatoes. Just a little pinch of salt, and this is going to fry and get soft. Then I'm going to add the chicken. Okay, so it's all fried. So this is the way it should be look. So I'm going to blend it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished blending it up. Now I'm going to put everything in the pot. So it's going to cook up. Okay, so a little bit of tomato paste. Okay, so my sauce cooked up a little, so I'm going to put heavy cream. Half of a cup of heavy cream. So here's my chicken already done fry. So I'm going to pour it in. So I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder inside, half of a teaspoon. So I'm going to add a little bit of teaspoon of coriander. Okay, so I just put the coriander inside, so it fry up for 5 minutes. It's all done. Enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.